During the planning phase of a project, we determine who will work on each task and how long it will take. Once we know this, we can map out what the schedule looks like for the entire project. A Gantt chart is a very common project management tool that gives us a visual representation of how a project will progress. Tasks are listed vertically on a Gantt chart, and each task is displayed on one row. Each task also has a horizontal bar beside it, and the width of this horizontal bar represents how long this task will take. We can also see on which day this task is scheduled to start and on which day this task is scheduled to finish. Let's now discuss task dependency. Sometimes one task must be completed before another task can begin. For example, sometimes a developer cannot build a feature until the graphic designer has supplied the relevant designs. When one task needs another to complete before it can be started, we say it is dependent on that other task. We can show dependent tasks in a Gantt chart by having an arrow between them. This way we can see at a glance which tasks are dependent on other tasks being complete. When we have all dependencies listed in our Gantt chart, we can try to identify a linear order of tasks from the start to the finish of a project. That will be the shortest time needed to complete the project. This path is called the critical path. Any tasks on the critical path are particularly important to complete on time. This is because if a critical path task is delayed by 1 day, this means that the entire project is delayed by 1 day. Milestones are intermediate points of progress along the project timeline. We can show milestones on a Gantt chart, and this makes it easy to see where important points of progress should occur on the project timeline. In summary, when creating a project schedule, you can use a Gantt chart to show when tasks will start and finish, any task dependencies, and any relevant milestones.